if you want to see this cute bird even more, then hit the subscribe button right now. And tell me if you want another bird video of something that I've never thought of before. So, bye! Goodbye! Aww, he's sleeping. Good night! Subscribe for more.